Hello traders, I hope you had a nice weekend. Today is Monday, first trading day of the week and 11th of January 2021. And as always, I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the trade results of those analysis. And also if you would like to know how I trade every single day with my traders, a link is given somewhere in the video description below. And I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation if you're having challenges in trading, or if you need any help in the forex trading. Feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar is somewhere in the description below. So most welcome. All right, so let's back to the today's analysis. As you can see, we manage a beautiful day today, very profitable, positive day today. Just to recap, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day. Just one is just before London Open, one at the New York session, and all the analysis recording instantly available in the training session for the members. As you can see, I analyze market twice, high time frame, and then I analyze market in a shorter time frame to refine our entries and exit. Once the analysis done, all the analysis broadcast instantly in the analysis section. Then we watch those analyses, and if the opportunity is raised based on that analysis, we communicate with our traders through live audio commentary, and we also update all those analyses instantly in the analysis section. So based on the today's analysis, one of my traders bank amazing pips, like 70 pips. You can see this is the breakdown. It has only three losing trade, but he managed to came out nicely with the 70 pips. Normal target is 40 to 50 pips. All right, so let me share with you a couple of the trades. I'm going to show you the losing one as well, just so you understand. This one, as you can see, the dollar CAD. This one, the pretty straightforward pullback, but as soon as the price reversed, we closed it. And then based on the analysis, we bank another beautiful preps. You can see as soon as the price broken, which we did another analysis. Based on that, it took another short trade and banked beautiful pips on 13. So that's what we do. We close our trade very quickly and we let our winning run, and that's what exactly we can see. This one, pound dollar. Okay, let me share with you that dollar CAD trade. You can see here this one. You can see the first I mentioned the possibility of long, which my traders have taken it, but as I meant, then I explained to my trader through live audio commentary that the price might going to come back because the price has broken, and after the breakout, as explained into the analysis, price broken and retest, and that's what he took another short trade and banked beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Same on pound dollar. This was the 20 pips, as you can see, because we were watching in 4-hour. Based on that, this was the pretty straightforward breakout counter long trade as soon as the price came back and retest. And if we explain to our trader, let me explain to you that analysis. So you can see the pound dollar, the sideways market defined, but if you look at the previous price section, price broke on the previous low and could not maintain it, so we call this one as a false breakout and is a good sign. Then we look at in 4-hour and let's see what's happening in a high time frame price action. Based on that, we announced to take for long trade and bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you the 4-hour chart on pound dollar. As you can see, the price was at the major support 200 EMA in 4-hour. Then we explain, and then we look at in intraday, we define this pattern and we bank this beautiful pips. This is pretty straightforward, we do every single day. Okay, so same in dollar CAD. If you look at my dollar CAD analysis, based on that, you can see I've just explained to you guys bank beautiful pips. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly. All right, so let me share with you the couple of best analysis, best trades of the day. You can see the pound dollar, pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade. Then I had a gold, which is basically pretty straightforward. Price nicely respect 200 EMA in intraday chart, and as you can see, the price nicely broken after the breakout, beautiful pullback, long trade on gold. Then we had a short trade on euro yen. That was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Then dollar Swiss franc, we had a beautiful after the breakout, price nicely develop another pullback, as you can see here, beautiful long trade. pound dollar. This was the morning session. You can see here 7:33 just before London Open, price broken. After the breakout, price also developed another pullback, and we banked beautiful pips on pound dollar this morning. And another one, this was the beautiful trade on dollar CAD in the morning. You can see price develop sideways market, and we also explained this trade in 4 hour. Momentum was developed bullish, as you can see, breakout long trade. After the breakout, as always, pulled back beautiful. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the profit target. So you can see we had a beautiful trade, bank beautiful pips and pound yen. This was a pretty straightforward. You can see consolidation breakout. Again, we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that breakout and the pullback long trade, let me share with you the pound dollar 4 hour chart. As you can see, the price was at the major support area, and we explained to trader possibility price might going to respect this level, and we should be looking at counter long trade and when to enter. That's why we did this analysis. And when the price hit to the certain level, which is now at this level, which we explained to our trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. So you can see we had such a beautiful analysis and the trade. So that's we do every single day. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. So guys, if you would like to see all that analysis and the trades in real time alongside with the high time frame analysis and with the live audio commentary support, even if you are completely beginner in forex trading, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill when you trading live alongside with other professional trader in this platform. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. If you need any help, as I mentioned you, I've given a free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to book. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. All the best, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Take care.